Exercise 12.2, question number 1. Simplify combining like terms. So we have to simplify this by combining like terms. Now what are the like terms? If we have 3x, 3y and 3xy and 7y. So into this, the 3y and 7y are like terms. When any term will be there, for example 3y, into this number is termed as a constant and this letter is termed as a variable. So this variable we are checking for like terms. X square y and yx square, they both are like terms. X and 7x, they both are like terms. Similarly, we will find out the like terms and we will simplify them. So our numerical is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Let us combine the like term. So whenever we are combining like term, remember that we have to maintain negative sign and positive sign. So now 21b and minus 20b. When we will subtract this two, 21 minus 20. So 21 is bigger number. So bigger number sign will be there along with the answer. So 1 is the answer and it will carry bigger number sign. So it will be plus 1. So here either you can write 1b or you can write only b. Plus 7b minus 32. So 1 plus 7 equals to 8b. Now 32 is a constant and another constant is not there. So 32 will remain as it is. So this is going to be our final answer. Our numerical is minus z square plus z. Now let us identify the like term. So z square, these two are like term. Then minus 5z and 15z are like term, whereas this 7z cube is alone. So let us combine like terms. Minus z square plus 13z square. Then we are combining z term, 5z minus 15z, and then last plus 7z cube. Solve this two term and the next two term. Minus z square plus 13z square. Minus z square equals to minus 1z square. So 1 is there. When there is no coefficient, no constant, we can always consider here as 1. So minus 1 plus 13. Z square will remain as it is. Minus 1 plus 13, we will get answer 12 and it will carry bigger number sign. 13 is bigger, so 12 will be positive. So 12 z square will be the answer. So 12 z square minus 5 minus 15. So it will be minus 20. Minus 20z. Then the last term, that plus 7z cube. Now this is our final answer. As this unlike terms we cannot add. This is z square, this is z, and this is z cube. All these are different terms and we cannot add them. So this is going to be our final answer. Third numerical, p minus q. Now let us open the bracket and we will solve this. So p minus p. Now this minus will go along with the p and this minus will also go along with minus q. So it is something like this, that minus and minus q. So minus will be plus. So q will be plus here. So here plus q will be there. Then comes minus q. This minus q I am writing here. Then comes minus q again. And then this minus will go along with the p. So it is again minus p. So minus will be plus. So it is going to be plus p. So I am writing here plus p. Now let us solve this. See here, plus p and minus p we can cancel it off. Plus q and minus q we can cancel it off. Remaining these two terms and they are unlike terms. So we can write minus q plus p and this is going to be our final answer. Because they both are unlike, we cannot add them or subtract them. Fourth numerical, 3a minus 2b b minus a. There is a numerical like this where the bracket will be there and before bracket the minus sign is there. Remember that we have to change the sign. So the simple trick is either you can do it in a rough page that how we can open the bracket, or simply you can write the opposite sign. Let us solve it both the ways. So first, when we are opening the bracket, negative sign will go along with the minus a. Then for b we are thinking this minus sign will go along with minus b. So it is going to be minus minus b. Then this minus sign will go along with plus AB. So minus plus will become minus. So it is going to be minus AB. So as a result, we will get here minus A plus B minus AB. Or the simple trick that whenever we are opening a bracket in which outside minus sign is there, simply you can write the opposite sign. So A is positive here. So we are going to write minus A. B is minus here, we are going to write plus B. AB is positive here, we are going to write minus AB. Like this also you can write and it will be always correct. You can simply change the sign. If it is positive, you can write negative. If it is negative, you can write positive. Or you can solve it via this long method also. Both the ways you will get correct answer. So let us go back to our numerical. So let us open the bracket first. 3a minus 2b minus ab. Now let us change the sign of all these terms as the negative sign is outside the bracket. So minus a plus b minus ab. Then comes plus 3ab plus b minus a. Now let us combine the like terms. So a is here 3a, then minus a, then minus a. Minus 2b, b and plus b, ab and ab. Now let us combine them. Now let us solve this 3 and this 3. So we will get here 3a minus 2a, so it is a. Then comes minus 2b plus b plus b. So minus 2b and b we can cancel it off because this will give us my plus 2b. So minus 2b and plus 2b will be 0. So here I am going to write 0 because this term will give us 0. Then comes minus ab plus 3ab. I can also write here like minus 2ab plus 3ab. So answer I will get is plus ab. So plus ab I am directly mentioning here. Our answer is a plus ab. This is our final answer. Numerical is 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square. 5x square y is there, square y. Now that's it. There are two x square y term. Now let us find out for x square. So x square, then comes x square, and then that's it. There are two x square. That y square is here, y square is here, and y square is here. And the last term which is remaining is this. Always segregate the term and solve the numerical. Otherwise you will forget or you will miss out one term and your answer will be wrong. These are simple subtraction and addition numericals. Only thing we are segregating them as per the like term. So it is very important that segregation should be perfect. So now here let us combine x square y first. So 5x square y plus 3yx square plus 8xy square. Once you will segregate the terms with like terms, count the number of terms you have written. So we have segregated correctly. You can only focus on the numbers and the sign given over here. So 5 plus 3, it is going to be 8x square y. Then comes x square term, minus 5 plus 1. So it is going to be minus 4x square. Then this three terms, minus 3y square, minus y square and minus 3y square, all are minus. So we have to add them. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. And it will carry negative sign. So minus 7y square. and the remaining term is 8xy square, as that term is alone. So this is going to be our answer, is 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y minus y square minus 4. Now here first bracket and second bracket. First bracket do not have any sign over here, so simply we can open this bracket, that 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Now in front of second bracket the negative sign is there. So when we are solving or opening the bracket which has a negative sign in front of that, we can simply change the sign. That 8y is positive, it will become negative. Minus y square is negative, it will become positive. That plus y square. Now minus 4 is negative, it will become positive. Now how this has happened? That minus 8y minus y square minus 4. So this is our bracket. So this minus will go along with minus 8y. This minus will go along with this also. So it is going to be minus minus y square. So ultimately it is going to be plus y square. Then this negative sign will go along with minus 4 also. So minus minus 4. So minus minus will be plus. So it is going to be 4. That is how it has become minus 8y plus y square and plus 4. We can directly write like this over here. Now let us combine the like term. Now if minus and plus both are similar, then you can cancel it off over here only. Now focus on the numbers. 3 and 1 both are positive, so you can add them. 4y square. 5 and minus 8. 5 and minus 8. So here subtraction we have to do. 3 will be the answer and bigger number sign it will carry, so it is going to be minus 3. So minus 3y plus 0, as this minus and plus 4 will give us 0. So our answer is 4y square minus 3y. This is our final answer.